Hello, fellow Unity members. My name is Bob Shipman, and I have the pleasure of serving as board president of Unity Myrtle Beach. In this role, I'm a servant to the well-being of our community, and I have the vantage point of observing the ebb and flow of life in our church. I have good news to report. We're very healthy. In spite of the pandemic, with services no longer being held at our Surfside Beach location, our attendance at worship events has increased dramatically due to our online presence. Our connecting through social media and through Zoom has been successful. You all know our exciting vision about creating a new home for our church. Many of you made a 3-year pledge back in 2017. We mailed a letter in the last 2 weeks, and we ask that you extend your giving for 1 more year. We've had an enthusiastic response to this letter. So please consider giving 1/3 of what you originally pledged over the next 12 months. This will give us the strength to pay down our debt on our beautiful 6 acres at Salem Road. We're looking good, and we have our eyes set on our vision. Please join with me to discern the amount that you give in the year ahead. There's a form attached which can be emailed back, or if you would like a paper card mailed out to you, please reply with your mailing address. Thank you very much for your financial support of Unity Myrtle Beach.